Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to add moving background on your PowerPoint presentation slides using Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So, without any further more delay, let's begin. So, first of all, let me show you. I have a PowerPoint presentation slides already created, and here I have a background video which I'm going to add with my presentation slides. So, let's begin. So let me open my PowerPoint presentation slides in Microsoft Office PowerPoint so you can see it, my presentation slides. So here only you can see a simple background. So how to add a moving background, that is any video files under this slides. So there is two steps to add your video files in your Microsoft PowerPoint. The first step is you can just drag and drop like this, or you can go to this insert option, as you can see above. Just click on it and you can see your video. Just click on here. You can either insert an online video too, or the video that is being saved on your PC. So if your video is already saved in your PC, then I will highly recommend it to just directly drag and drop the video. So once you have drag your video in your presentation slides, just adjust it to make it fit with your slides. So if it is not fitting, then you just edit and make it fit with your slides. Now you can see your written files which is written on your slides, so it is being hidden by the video. So what you need to do is just right click on this video, and now you can click on send to back. So the video is gone to the back. So you can see here the video is behind your slides. But in my video sections, as you can see, it's starting from the black background. So I don't want those black parts. So you can trim this video. Just right click on the video and you can see here trim. Select this option. Now I don't want that black part. I will try to start from here. So just select this from here and I will keep the last part as it is. So I will click on OK and it will start trimming. Now it will begin from that normal part which I have trimmed. So this trimming feature is only available on the newer Microsoft Office like 2010 and the newer versions. But if you're using Microsoft Office 2007, then you won't get just this kind of trimming options. So in my opinion, you should better use the newer versions like Microsoft Office 2010 or the newer versions. But if you're using the Microsoft Office 2007, then you won't get such trimming options. So after your background, that is the moving background, is set, now what you need to do next is just select your video. You can see here a play button. When you click on a play, it will start playing. But before saving your video, what you need to do, you can see here playback. Just click on here. So when your presentation is ready and you want to slideshow, it won't play your video directly. As you can see here, it won't play the moving background. So to do that, now once your video is set, now you go on the playback. Now on the start, what you need to do is select it automatically and select this loop until stop. Now everything has been set. Now when you click on the slideshow, it will automatically play the moving background along with your slides. And once you are satisfied with this, then you can click on this file, click on the save, and it will be saved. Now when you open back your save file, so let us play it again. So when you click on the slideshow, it will directly play the moving files, as you can see. So in this way, you can very easily insert a moving background in your presentation slides, and it will make you presentation slide looks professional. So try it out by yourself, and if you face any difficulty using this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help you with your problems. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.